Hello everyone, I'm Lakshmi Prasanna from SRK Engineering College, currently pursuing final year of BTech in the stream of Electronics and Communication. So today I'm here to tell you about Smart India Hackathon 2024. We have selected a problem statement idea of Advantage 1 by 2 for hardware. And the theme of our project is Smart Resource Conservation. The name of our team is Energy Conservators. Coming to the problem statement, innovation for sustainability driving smart resource conservation, energy and water in home appliances like refrigerators, air conditioners and washing machines. So this is the overall view of our project. Here we are taking the home appliances like air conditioners, refrigerators, and washing machine. Here we are collecting the data from these appliances using the sensors. Here we are using the sensors like DHT11 current sensor and voltage sensor. These sensors will sense the value from the external conditions of these appliances and send the data to the Node MCU board. Here the Node MCU board will send the data to the Google Sheet, as the Google Sheet will collect the data that we really need in a particular format. These data will send to the Firebase. Firebase is the cloud system where we can store the data and we can retrieve and access the data anytime from anywhere. And we are sending this data to the oral algorithm. This oral algorithm is reinforcement learning algorithm. These algorithms will be trained in particular format to predict the output based upon the previous inputs. So the decision made by the oral algorithm will send to the node MCU boards. These node MCU boards will send the action to the relays. Here we are using the remote controls by using relays. So for the water conservation part, we are mainly focusing upon the washing machines. Here we are collecting the water from the washing machine's last cycle and storing it in a storage tank. And we are controlling the storage tank water connections using this circuitry. And we are using the servo motor. So in this storage tank, we are filtering the water. So contaminants that are present in the water will be removed in the storage tank. And these water will be used for the first cycle of next water. If you want to control the home appliances manually, we can control it using the dashboard. This is the overall plan of our project. So here these are the loads. The loads are the home appliances that we are taking. So the data will be collected from these loads using sensors like voltage sensor and current sensor. These sensors send the values from these loads, and these data will be sent to the ESP8266, and these will send the data to the oral algorithm. Here we are training the oral algorithm based upon the previous inputs. So these oral algorithms will be used for the decision making analysis and also used for the automation purpose. So the output, that is the prediction sent by this oral algorithm, will be sent to the loads using the ESP8266, and these data will be sent to these relays. Relays are used to control the loads. So this is the circuitry we have designed for the refrigerator. Here we are considering a temperature of 5 degrees in the refrigerator. If the temperature falls below the 5 degrees, then the signal will be sent to the servo to disconnect the connection between load and the motor. So here we are installing a push button switch. This push button switch will be used to remove the connection between the load and the servo motor when a person opens the door. And here we are installing a ultrasonic sensor at the door. If the person leaves the particular premises when the door is in open condition, then this sensor will send a signal to the fridge to disconnect the light. So this is circuitry we have designed for the air conditioner. Let us consider a 25 degrees Celsius in a room. So if the temperature drops to 25 degrees Celsius, then a signal will be sent to the servo motor. So this servo motor will disconnect the connection between load and the motor. So here we are installing a push button switch at the door. If the person passes through the door, then this signal will be sent to the servo motor to disconnect the load from the motor. So in both refrigerator and air conditioner, the motor is running for all of these parameters. It is just getting detached from the load using this servo. Hence, it is operating in no load condition. A motor consumes more power when it is on and off, but as compared to the motor running in a low load condition, it does not consume that much power. So hence, we are implementing these conditions here for the power conservation. This is the circuitry we have designed for the washing machine. So let us assume a 3-wash cycle. In that, the first 2 water will be flow out using this valve. This operation will be controlled using this servo motor, and the last cycle water will be filtered and transferred to these storage tank using this valve. This operation will be controlled by using this servo motor. The water from these storage tank will be transferred to the wash basin using this pump. So this is the circuitry we have designed for the water conservation. So this is the hardware circuitry that we are implementing for our prototype, as this is the loads. These loads are connected to the relay modules. Here relay modules are used to on and off the load. So here we are using the sensors like voltage sensor, temperature sensor and current sensor. These sensors will meters like voltage, temperature, current and humidity are sent to this node MC board. This node MC board will use to send the data to the oral algorithm. As we train the oral algorithm depending upon the previous inputs, and we have used it to train the data. So the prediction made by the oral algorithm will send to this board. This node MC board will use to control the output loads. So this node MC board will send the outputs to the relays, as these relay modules will use to on and off this load. So these are the servo motors that are used for the water control in the washing machines, and these motors is a control using this Arduino. So this is the circuitry we have designed for the prototype of air conditioner. Here we use the temperature sensor and push button switch and a motor. This is the circuitry that we have designed for the implementation of refrigerator in our prototype. So it is a temperature sensor, it is a LED, it is a push button switch, it is a PR sensor, and this is the motor.